Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to make 3D flowers. These are the colors I used for pink flower. Let's start drawing flower petals. I also have another 3D gel design tutorials, so please take a look if you are interested. Cure 30 seconds. Let's add some colors. Let's make it 3D. I use clear solid gel. Make a little clear gel ball. Shape with a brush or stick. Another one. Clear gel and add some gold. This is the final look for the pink flower. Isn't it cute? Let's cure 30 seconds. Next, for the yellow flower. It is exactly same method, but in different colors. So I'll just fast forward everything. Please give me a comment if you have any questions or requests. And don't forget, subscribe my channel for future update.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. Yeah. Well, we're just wasting time, fighting the inevitable. I can't do this anymore. We're just wasting time. So you better go. So you better go. I'm gonna miss you. Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.